What's up, guys? Welcome to an edition of Market Marauders, beating the market one trade at a time. If you're the Market Marauders investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, like, comment, and share. And I hope everybody was able to lock in some profits for this week. With further ado, let's jump into these penny stocks. All right, so number one that I have on here is ticker sign BIOC for Bioset. Looking on here, the moving average 10 is $1.02. Moving average 50 is 96 cents. The moving average 100 is 83 cents. And it ended the day at $1.01. So it's above its moving average 50 and moving average 10. Looks like towards the end of the day, it had kind of a sell-off denoted by the left-hand side right here, but still a little bit bullish as far as the whole stock is concerned. Now on this channel, I do give a review from the perspective of Webull. If you'd like to sign up to get 2 free stocks, there's a link down below where you can sign up. Now let's jump into some background information on them to see what is causing this stock to go up and be bullish. So just reading on the press releases on here, we can see Bioset announces agreement with Gina Biotechnologies to develop a highly new sensitive pandemic utilizing patented switch blocker PCR technology. They are also announcing their earnings on the 12th. So next week they're going to have their earnings. So tune into that. Be some useful information on them. I do expect them to rally, getting closer to earnings, like most stocks do. So you may be able to lock in some profits on that when the earnings come up. But basically, you know, they're in this niche market as far as pandemic is concerned, and they're focusing on testing. So if you know any stocks in that field, testing is a really big thing. So, you know, definitely expect them to rally up around earnings, and also as more news comes out about the testing that they're going to be doing. Going to the second stock on here, we got ticker sign PEIX for Pacific Ethanol. Moving average 10 on them is $2.62. Moving average 50 is $2.46. And the moving average 100 is $2.30. They ended the week at $2.69. Looks like towards after hours they rallied up 5 cents more to end the day at $2.74. So still bullish right here. If we look at the chart, zoom in a little bit, we can see that they kind of went down below their moving average 50 and tried to start a little bearish pattern, but ended up going back up and, you know, beating that resistance that they were at right here and going over their moving average 50 line to remain bullish. So go to some background information on them. It's just their press releases. They actually have an earnings coming up as well. So look forward to that. They actually make alcohol, Pacific Ethanol. They're focusing on alcohol, the ones you see in the hand sanitizer that's out. So, you know, something that's highly in demand. That's kind of what they shifted gears towards when the whole pandemic started. Clicking on here, we can see that their earnings is going to be the 12th as well. So look forward to that next week. So you have both these stocks, Bioset and Pacific Ethanol Incorporated, going to have earnings next week. So if you're looking forward, just go on the website and click press releases, and you'll find this link, and you can go listen to the webcast and get all the good information that you need for that stock. Going into my last pick for the week, we got ticker sign NAK for Northern Dynamic. I'm going to zoom in on this one. If we see towards the end of the day, they kind of tried to become bullish. The moving average 10 line didn't quite cross the moving average 50 line or the moving average 100 line, but it did test the resistance of the moving average 100 line right here towards midday. So, you know, this was on the 5th. It tested that line, and then, you know, as the week went on, it kind of rallied and had resistance at this moving average 50 line. Its moving average 10 is $1.54. Moving average 100 is $1.58, and the moving average 50 is $1.54. So that's denoted by this purple line, yellow line, and the red line, which is the moving average 50 line, moving average 10 line. So they ended the day at $1.57. So they're above their moving average 50 line and their moving average 10 line, but not quite above their moving average 100 line. So let's jump to some background information on them. So the company actually mines copper and gold. And if you know anything about gold prices, gold is going up. Just going, you know, briefly over this press release that they have. They have gold, copper, silver, and, you know, these are their main exports of what they mine. But if you know anything about gold price has been going up, silver price has been going up, and those are two main metrics to look forward to, and going to continue to go up. As time goes on. If you're familiar with economics, you can know that when inflation goes up, that gold and silver prices go up. So as that go up, their profits will actually continue to go up. So, one stock to definitely keep your eyes on, and definitely rallied a little bit towards the end of the day. They ended 1 cent down below where they closed at $1.56. So not too bad. This is a 30-minute chart. But definitely want to keep your eyes on for next week. Hope these videos helped you. Hope everybody's able to lock in profits. Drop a comment down below. Tell me which stocks you guys are looking at. I'll try to go live again next week. Hope that helped everybody. And good luck to you all trading out there. Peace.